acknowledgement and recognition for who you are and what you do. So my angels and team have a message for you. Well, they had a message for me, and they would like me to share the message with you. I had an experience recently where, from a dear friend, I noticed he wasn't acknowledging or recognizing me for something. And I said to my guides, it doesn't matter to me. And they said, it absolutely does matter. And I said, please tell me more. And they said, it is incredibly important that you recognize and acknowledge yourself for who you are and what you do. And I said, okay, thank you so much. You matter. Your feelings matter. Who you are matters. And you need to definitely and absolutely give yourself the permission to honor yourself, honor how you feel, and acknowledge yourself for who you are and what you've done to be the person that you are today. This is the message for you. This was the message for me. This is the message for all of us. But it is also incredibly important for you to be recognized and acknowledged by others. And I said, wow, I thought the whole point was to be like without ego. I don't need recognition or acknowledgement from other people. And they said, actually, you do need recognition and acknowledgement from other people. And other people that care about you are going to ask you how you feel. And they are going to care about what you think and how you feel. And so they're asking all of us, myself included, to be open, to be acknowledged, to be seen, to be honored by other people. So if you would like, ask for a healing so that you can begin to receive more acknowledgement, recognition, and caring from other people. My angels say it is incredibly important. Now, whether or not